Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amirul Fidaus. Welcome to my tutorial 2. Today I will show you guys the introduction to MPI programming. Okay, we will do this source code to show the expected output. Firstly, we must go to the Linux operating system and copy these codes. Copy all these codes for the lab 2A. Lab 2A, I have already copied. Now we execute in the terminal. Okay, firstly we must go to directory that we save in the code directory. Okay, firstly go to desktop directory, then I save in the code file cd codes. Okay, this is my execute directory. Now this is my code. This is my I have copied the codes to a.c. Okay, now we want to execute this file using this syntax MPI. To boot the MPI program, we will use this syntax, that's MPI cc -o execute file and source code file. Now we will use it. MPI cc -o let 2a let 2a dot c. Okay, in this code we have an error. Firstly, we must identify what error in this code. Okay, we will go sudo nano let 2a.c. In this code we must identify what error in this code. Okay, I have identified it. Okay, it easy, we just edit in this file. Okay, I have already identified in this file in command, and this return 0. Then it doesn't have return 0. Okay, we save anyway. Let 2a.c. Then I will try execute again. MPI c -o let 2a let 2a.c. Okay, no error. Now we will run the codes using the MPI run for number of process 4 and the executable file. Okay, MPI run /mp4 let 2. Okay, for process 1 hello world, process 2 hello world, process 3 and 1 2 3 4. Okay, will show the expected output. Okay, it is it. Now the code we run is correct. Okay, now we go to the lab 2b. In this code. Okay, I have already copied it in the lab 2b.c. Okay, we run PICC lab c/o lab 2b lab 2b.c. Okay, it has same warning. You just edit it in the text editor or use sudo nano syntax. You see, we must get intermin because in the question it doesn't have the intermin. We will insert it. Okay, we save. Okay, now we run again. PICC/o lab2b.c. Okay, doesn't have any error. It means our code is correct. Okay, we will run again. MPI run /np for lab2b. Okay, in this process we show the output. Okay, now we will see it has same or not the output that we have. Okay, from process 0 4 hello world 1, hello world 2, hello world 3 or 4, hello world, and welcome greeting process of 2. Okay, it is same process. That means our code and we use the message passage diagram is correct. Okay, that's all for my tutorial 2, the executable message passage diagram we use for this code. Okay, thank you for watching and goodbye.